How to get a refund on Whataburger. First, you want to go to the Whataburger official's website, go to your Safari, and here at the bottom of your screen you can see a search bar. Simply tap on it and you want to type in Whataburger refund policy. After that, you'll see the official Whataburger website. Simply tap on it and here you want to scroll down all the way and click on information. After that, you want to tap on contact us, and by doing so you will see the official Whataburger's email address over here, and on this email you want to make an email sending informations about your order and about your refund request, and if your appeal is valid within 2 to 3 days, the official Whataburger team will contact you through your email and you might even get your refund. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.